Ozone is nature's most powerful disinfectant and purifying agent. It is a gas that is produced when the sun's UV radiation comes in contact with Earth's oxygen, and when air is exposed to a high voltage electric arc. This is why air smells pure and fresh after a thunderstorm. Ozone is like the oxygen we breathe, except it has another oxygen atom, which is unstable and searching for a mate to pair up with.
It is the O1 that we use as ozone for the body.
Guess what else is searching for another atom to pair with? All bacteria, fungi, germs, and viruses, which cannot live when in contact with oxygen.
And actually, ozone inside the human body, or oxygen, this singlet oxygen, is what white blood cells use to kill bacteria.
It is the perfect solution to completely purify our bodies.
The air we breathe is 19% oxygen. Put it through a pump, put it through an ozone generator, which Russ will show you, and bubble it through the water, and the ozone will be dissolved in the water, which you drink. You have the equivalent of an oxygen bar, which is springing up all over Tokyo and New York City. And when we turn this on, you'll notice,
just plug it in there.
Okay, that this little aeration stone that's used in aquariums for fish will begin bubbling. Can you see that on camera all right? We'll try to get this on the camera side of the glass. Now, the ozone is highly soluble in water, but it has a half-life of about 20 minutes in warm water, an hour or so in cold, chilled ice water. The ozone is the greatest detoxifying agent known to man. Some cities in Germany use ozone to clean their water instead of chlorine, other things that we do. So if we drink this now, we'll detoxify in a couple of days and eliminate poisons which have been in your body for many years.
People talk about, well, ozone, don't breathe the ozone. Again, what is ozone doing? Ozone actually deactivates every known negative compound that exists in the world. Where this original research came from about not breathing ozone, as an example, came from mice. And they put a huge amount of ozone into the air, and they found that within the first 3 days there was a pulmonary edema, fluid built up in the lungs. But then what they didn't report is that after those 3 days, the lungs returned to normal, and no matter how much ozone they put into the container, where the mice were, they could not induce death into the mice whatsoever. So what the ozone does is it will clean out chemicals that are in your lungs, and that's what happens when you breathe it. Now, it does cause an irritation, so I suggest not breathing ozone. Okay, but by ozonating the water, what you're doing is putting that in, and by drinking the water, you're getting that direct delivery system of the ozone right into the bloodstream through the stomach and the intestines. And what you're actually doing is giving this singlet oxygen to the body so that white blood cells can do their job.
No medicine in the world has anywhere near this low of a side effect rate. Today there are people all over the world using ozone to clean their pools, hot tubs, and ponds, for it destroys bacteria more than 3,000 times faster than chlorine or bromine. With ozone, you can also deodorize and remove the smell of smoke from your car or home. Clean and eliminate pesticides from fruit and vegetables. Remove bacteria and antibiotics from meat and fish. Eliminate bad breath, sanitize wounds, and disinfect toothbrushes, dentures, and contacts, all in just minutes or seconds.